Firstly, let's delve into the saga of the cryptocurrency exchange FTX. Once a major player in the market, FTX found itself under investigation by Bahamian and U.S. authorities in late November 2022. The word from the Bahamas Attorney General was that the investigation was active and ongoing, involving both civil and criminal authorities. Notably, FTX's license was revoked and the firm entered into involuntary liquidation proceedings. The founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, stepped down as CEO on the same day of the bankruptcy filing. Even more controversially, it was reported that Bankman-Fried had moved $10 billion of FTX customer funds to his proprietary trading firm. This brought the U.S. Attorney's Office in Manhattan, the Securities and Exchange Commission, and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission into the investigative mix. FTX's collapse has raised eyebrows and concerns about the viability of the cryptocurrency sector. Moving on, let's consider Elon Musk's unexpected U-turn on Bitcoin. Back in May 2021, Musk announced that Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin as payment for its vehicles. This decision was driven by environmental concerns, specifically the heavy use of fossil fuels in Bitcoin mining. The news saw the price of Bitcoin tumble by 13%. Despite this, Musk did suggest that Tesla could reconsider its stance if Bitcoin mining transitions to more sustainable energy sources. In the world of cryptocurrency, it's not all doom and gloom though. Some exciting developments are taking place too. Take, for instance, the launch of Semaphore, a global news platform that's making waves. Founded by Justin Smith and Ben Smith, Semaphore aims to bridge the trust deficit between the public and the press. With $25 million in funding, the platform is set to disrupt the industry with its unique Semaphore content structure. So, what have we learned today? The cryptocurrency world is a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. There are challenges, no doubt, as seen with the FTX saga and the environmental concerns around Bitcoin. But there are also opportunities, like the launch of innovative platforms such as Semaphore. The key takeaway is that the world of cryptocurrency is evolving, and it's up to us to stay informed and adapt. As always, remember to do your research and invest wisely. Until next time, keep your eyes on the crypto horizon and stay tuned for more updates.